Mr. Azib, Pakistan is being torn to shreds by the Taliban on every single day. You're being plundered by the Taliban and being bombarded by America. How do you have the time to bother about Kashmir in all of this? You're being plundered by the Taliban and bombarded by the Americans. You've got your borders are being eaten into on the northwestern side. You've got thousands of square kilometers under Taliban control. I mean, isn't that your more immediate concern? Shouldn't that be your more immediate concern?
I like the adjectives that you use. But you see, we are more than capable of handling more than one problem at a time. All the governments do it, all the countries do it. You have got many problems in India, you've got many insurgencies going on in India, and I'm sure you're handling it okay. But I agree with the High Commissioner. When you can resolve these matters bilaterally, I remember visiting your great country in 2004, and we had about a couple of hours of meeting with Rajesh Mishra Sahib, and out of that, almost 7 or 8 CBMs came out of it. Bus service, a lot of things about the visa service, about even about the cricket tour to Pakistan. So, things can be resolved, very amicably, and I still hope that this issue of Kashmir can be solved and resolved through talks amicably between India and Pakistan. We don't need to involve anybody else.
Mr. Kazim, I have a most straightforward question to you. No adjectives this time. Absolutely no adjectives. Straight question to you.
Thank you.
What is a bigger concern for you, sir? The Taliban or the Kashmir issue?
Kashmir is an issue. Taliban is a recent event.
Okay, so Taliban
Kashmir
is a non-issue.
has been lingering on. No, I'm not saying it's not. It's a very major issue at the moment facing Pakistan. But what I'm saying is Kashmir an issue that goes back from the day both of us emerged. I mean, 1948, India took the thing to United Nations. The resolutions on the United Nations on the floor, still lying on the table. So I think we need to resolve it. But better sooner than later. So I'm not saying that the Taliban are not an issue, and we are just overemphasizing Kashmir issue. Kashmir issue. There is an issue, and everybody accepts that it's a root cause of many problems in India and Pakistan. Certainly it's a lot of tension. Certainly it has caused us wars, and certainly it's cause of a lot of problems such as terrorism in this area.
Well, let me just quickly go across to Bilal Lone. Mr. Lone, Mr. Parthasarathy has made an important point. He says that the election results have rendered you absolutely irrelevant to the political scape of Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, if one were to go back in time a little bit, 9/11 perhaps did that more than any other event. So why are we really getting into all these semantics even now?
See, I just hope that you allow me to talk for a moment, because the problem is that when we talk, you just deviate. I would just like to tell Mr. Parthasarathy that he may be right in his own perception. But the basic the basic thing is that he is in a state of dichotomy himself.
No, but who do you represent,
Kashmir is
Mr.
the issue and it needs to be resolved. With whom is he going to resolve that thing? Now, if he thinks that the assembly elections that have taken place and they are the people who are the real representatives of the issue, then it's up to him. I don't want to put his words into my mouth. And number two, to be honest with you, I will tell you very straight away that the problem with Kashmir is that when you talk the truth, you are labeled as the extension of some organization. That is the dichotomy that is happening here with us in Kashmir. To be honest, as a Kashmiri, I'll be very sincere, and I'm just, through your medium, I would like to say that we are not for violence, we are not for terrorist activities, yes, but we are just simply saying is that Kashmir is an issue, and it needs to be discussed between India, Pakistan, and the Kashmiris. And as a Kashmiri sitting here in Kashmir, I would say that we should not take any such action which will destabilize Pakistan, because destabilizing Pakistan means that more of trouble here. And I would just request Mr. Parthasarathy that sitting in Delhi studios and talking about Kashmir issue, it doesn't look nice. He should come here on the ground here in Kashmir and feel for himself. People have voted, I am not denying that fact, and they have voted for Roti Kabda or Makan and nothing more than that. The sentiment is very much alive here in the valley. I can see it for myself here. And he has his own point of view and I have my own point of view. Okay. So I would like to say that let the governments of India, Pakistan and the Kashmiris sit down together and resolve the issue.
Okay. Now, I know Mr. Parthasarathy will be only too happy to take up your invitation there, but we won't take this further. Only suffice to say that what has happened today with what the statement coming out of Washington is very important, whose importance is not lost either in Srinagar, New Delhi, Washington or Islamabad. Thank you very much, gentlemen.